Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how you can buy a product on Ulta Beauty website. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is select the web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.ulta.com. Once you type in this URL, you will be redirected to its official website. Now here, if you are logged into your account, you can see a bag-like icon on your screen. So now you simply need to press on the bag icon, which will then redirect you to its page where it shows your cart. So now you can select the item or simply press on the item you have in your bag and press the checkout button. So once you press the checkout button, you will end up in a page where you need to fill in your details like your name, number, your method of payment, and all your address for your shipping. So once you are done filling in all the necessary credentials, you just need to press on the save and continue button. So once you press it as well, you will have to fill in your payment method, and then you need to simply press on to proceed your order. So after you complete all these necessary informations, you will be able to buy a product on Ulta Beauty. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.